Is the 2014 Great Weapon Master feat actually any good? To determine this, we are going to look at whether, on average, is it really better to reduce your chance to hit by 5 in order to increase your damage by 10 than to hit normally, as well as how much does the 2024 rules improve this feat? Well, to find this out, we need to come up with two formulas that include the variables of the damage your weapon deals and the chance to hit. Assuming standard array ability scores and taking the feat at level 4, you'll end up getting formulas that look roughly like this. We will always have a 5% chance of landing a critical hit no matter what, and then our chances of landing a normal hit will span from 0 to 95% in increments of 5. For our damage variable, we are going to go up in increments of 0.5, but the most common average damage for someone that would take this feat would be in between 5.5 and 7. So we are going to keep that in mind as we look at the results. After plugging in a bunch of numbers, we can display them on a table and compare which instance would provide the higher damage on average. What we end up finding is that you should be using the Great Weapon Master feat most of the time, except for when you have a lower chance to hit. We also see that as you increase the amount of damage that you deal, the Great Weapon Master feat becomes less and less viable. Now, if we compare both the 2014 and the 2024 rules, you can see that the 2024 rules essentially blow the 2014 rules out the water. Not even considering the +1 to strength that the 2024 rules provide, the most generous comparison for the rules would be if you take this feat at exactly level 4 and then only have a +3 proficiency bonus. And even then, there are very few scenarios where you'd want the 2014 Great Weapon Master feat over the 2024. So swing with confidence, because now you know the answer to the question.